Hi, here is a Notion template I've designed to organize my ChatGPT and other generative AI sessions. You can use this template to store, organize, and access your prompts and results with ease in one convenient place. Let me show you around the template. Here are the generative AI sources, is where you can add your favorite generative AI websites for easy access. And these are some AI websites that I've been using. You can add in or delete the website here as well. Moving on to the to-do list, you can add in your task for using the AI here. For example, I just add in what I want to find out today using ChatGPT so I won't miss it. Now at the PromptX Center, you can organize your prompts in category. You can add your prompts in this favorite box and categorize them in an expansion list for easy access. I have also added in good prompts that you can try. And you can also add your own curated prompts into categories as well. You can click here to add a new category like this example. And you can add in an expansion list by using this command. Or just copy and paste the expansion list button from any original category. Oops, almost forgot the icon and cover for this. You can also delete the category by right-clicking and select Delete. Moving on, here is the library where you can add in your ChatGPT sessions and notes. Like this example. You can categorize them by using the tag function and search for your notes easily when it's more populated. This is an example on how you can add in your ChatGPT session and notes. Finally, to the resource section. Here is where you can store your resources for your prompts and inspirations. I have added these really good websites that you can try, and you can also add your own links. Okay, here's the end of the video. Good luck and take care.